Bi-level merge manual case pack conveyor with photo eye clamps, bump turns, and ARB assist by Multi-Conveyor. Multi-Conveyor recently built the semi-automatic case pack operation. Empty boxes discharge from an existing case erector onto single-lane conveyance. Then travel through two space-saving 90-degree turns to a bi-level staging and packing station. Photo eye sensors work in tandem with a pneumatic stop clamp to halt cases at the manual pack operator's command. The cases then seamlessly transition onto a non-powered roller section for manual filling. Simultaneously, the individually bagged food product is fed from an existing conveyor that runs parallel and bi-level, residing just above the non-powered roller, allowing the operator to manually place the items into the perfectly positioned empty cases. The shelving and bi-level section are at standing height for optimum operator ergonomic accessibility. Conveyor speeds are adjusted to ppm rates or parts per minute and human packing ability. Stainless steel collection totes collect product accumulated or catch rejected or overrun product. That product is then removed and further inspected for reintroduction to the line, alleviating waste. The operator manually sweeps the filled open-top cases onto an ARB roller belt conveyor with beaded guide rails and removable bump turn post that are used to rotate filled cases for alignment to the customer's existing case sealer. Product changeover called for an adjustable bump turn post which can be put into or out of position in seconds. To recap, the line has a total of 3 independently powered conveyors and 1 non-powered gravity roller conveyor that features 2 single-lane conveyors, 2 90-degree curved chain sections, non-powered roller conveyor, bi-level hand pack station, photo eyes to sense product, pneumatic clamp to control traffic, clean-out ports, hand pack area with staging shelves, and removable bump case turner. Note product used in this video was for demonstration purposes only. See even more combined technology solutions by visiting our website video gallery at www.multi-conveyor.com. Then call us at 1-800-236-7960. Remember, Multi-Conveyor, your best conveyed better.